and we are running 35 kilometers today.
You can see just by looking at that she's not a normal human.
Now we are at the most dangerous part where a lot of accidents happen. I want to poop so badly. I have no clue how. I have been running for the past 3 hours 16 minutes. What's up guys, what's up, good morning. It's currently 5:20 and we are running 35 kilometers today.
Maybe 38.
Maybe नहीं होता है.
No,
35 is for sure.
Yeah.
If we feel all right, we might push 3 more kilometers.
We're definitely not gonna feel alright. But if you feel like okay, we're gonna go through hell for another 3 kilometers, we'll push 38. Because we want to actually taper for the next 2 weeks.
Yeah.
As you're supposed to.
And looking how our legs are right now, we shouldn't be running longer after this. Today is 5th of Jan. We're running from Bandra to Nariman Point and Nariman Point to back. This is almost a race day route. And we've run it so many times that I'm kind of bored of doing this route because I even ran it last year during my training runs and it's not challenging anymore. It's going to be a fun ride. You're going to see Rhythm cry.
Definitely you're gonna see me cry.
You have to tell us whatever thoughts are going on in your mind mentally.
You just make sure to vlog every 5 minutes.
Yeah. What's your longest run been till now? Tell the audience.
28 kilometers. That was 2 weeks before. And then we traveled and I got injured and sick. That's why I could not run for the past 2 weeks. Like long. The longest run in the past 2 weeks is 10 kilometers. And now I am trying to push myself.
Today, we're going to talk about our running journey because a lot of people keep asking us, how did you all start? What did you all do? So we initially started when we were in college. Rhythm got into running and he told me, Da, I think even you should join me. So I used to be a runner in my school, like a sprinter you would say, but not the elite kind.
Nah, I don't think you call yourself a runner or a sprinter. You used to only do it on annual day.
Correct. That's facts. But yeah, running was there in my system. But when I went into college, everything stopped. I think 13th, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
I don't remember the exact year. But Rhythm started doing it. I started going for runs with him. And I still remember doing anything more than 500 meters was so difficult because we used to sprint. We didn't know how to run properly. We used to go to Nariman Point. So I still remember doing a 1 kilometer. It was also tough. Then somehow we came across the Nike guided runs, which changed the game for us completely. Started doing 5K and Rhythm and I did our first 10K together. It was so difficult. We almost cried after doing that 10K. Still remember, because first one's always special. You always remember your first 5K, 10Ks, half marathon, ultras. So that 10K was very special to us because we did it non-stop.
For the first time.
Yeah.
For the first time we did a run non-stop. Because we used to always take halts in all the runs.
Yeah.
Which is okay.
We used to sprint a lot that time. Always go out of breath. So after those guided runs, we realized that you need to take it easy, take it slow. Started doing a lot of that. Started enjoying running more than hating it. And started smiling more on our runs. I think good 2-3 years passed. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. And after that, I started going to the events also, met few runners. Met Arnav, who is my very good friend now. I told him I want to do this TMM. And he was like, that's good, but you need to do a half to get eligible. So I signed up for my first half, trained for it, while Rhythm was working. And we used to live in Andheri East. That is not a good place to run. But I still kept going because I had signed up for that race. So I did that race. I loved it. Like, wow, this is fun. Because I enjoyed running at 21. I was like, this is piece of cake. Because I ran at a training pace. I did not run at the race day pace because I had no clue. So that felt easy. Good morning. And after that, I kind of ditched to sign up for the marathon. And my friends are like, you literally signed up the half because you wanted to do the full. Okay. The rest of the story afterwards because there's a lot of traffic here. So I was saying that when the marathon dates got announced, I told my friends, I don't think I can do it because it's in my birthday week. I want to do a vacation on my birthday. And everyone like, you're ditching. So I ended up signing for my first marathon in 2024, which was a very stupid decision. One is not supposed to directly sign up for such big races, big distance races.
After 2 years, one half marathon.
Because I'm stupid, you guys know it. And I'm not a coach. Just saying it as a amateur runner. So this is how my journey started. Started training for it. Realized that no one of my age is running. That is when the hashtag Run with Olida started. And my content got picked up. Making content since 2017 and 19. But those running vlogs kind of pushed on IG. Started making all those long run vlogs. And I pretty much enjoyed running my first marathon. I made a vlog, I recorded. That kind of went viral. And people were like, how is this girl running 42 kilometers and talking this and that, because I never took it as a punishment. All thanks to Coach Bennett. We love you. Main credit goes to you and to Rhythm as well for always supporting during all my runs. He in fact came to cheer for almost all the runs I did, all the races I did, and now he's running one with me.
Because I got bored. I got bored of cheering for that. It's like you have to be on the road for 4 hours for only 4 minutes of that. Which is not fair. So I decided I'll just run with her.
On 19 Jan, and I'll turn 28. I'll be running 42 with my boys, Brandon and Rhythm. And I know it's gonna be a piece of cake because you all three will do it together. Woohoo!
Me looking in the corner while you saying piece of cake. 42 fucking kilometers.
That is how you're supposed to trick your brain.
Do that.
If you tell your brain it's going to be difficult,
It's gonna be difficult.
it's going to be difficult. Kind of start loving the process. The training runs are more difficult than the races. Don't you agree?
Sorry?
The training runs are more difficult than the races.
Oh, definitely, 100%.
VDHM training is kind of tough for us. A lot of speed workout. So the race day did feel tough, but not as tough as all the training runs we did. So trust us, if you can get through the training on the race day, you're just going and getting your medal. That's it.
You can say just by looking at that she's not a normal human. She enjoys long runs. The one type of run that every runner hates. She enjoys them. Like running long is like it's in her blood. Whenever you ask her to do long run, she'll be okay, I'm down. No matter what distance. And she casually says that I'm going to do 50 kilometers one day. It's like going for a walk.
Yeah,
She treats running 50 kilometers like going for a walk.
it's like just running 5 10Ks. That's it. Today we are doing 35, it's literally 3 10Ks.
38.
You're doing 38.
I'm doing 38.
Let's see. 35 is also a big deal for you right now. Let's see how you feel after the 20 kilometer, after the 30 kilometer mark. That is where the game starts. There's a Ganpati temple at Dadar, and obviously we cross it every time. And I tell Bappa to give me the energy and give the energy to all of us to keep running.
And Papa says, Papa, you don't need energy. I'm giving the whole energy to you. You give energy to others.
That is the famous Siddhivinayak temple of Mumbai. Feeling all good. 6K down. It's a long day. Long run. We're not thinking about it. Focus on the current step.
I am feeling very good because I got my partner with me. I know that she will drag me and make me complete.
Always run with a buddy. It is way easier. And the weather is surprisingly very good today.
Touch wood. With the wood. My head.
That is so stupid. Doing a wood touch on your head. This is kind of a practice run for me to even vlog. So during the race day also, I am speaking.
Hello.
Not feeling so good. Good morning. Foot is hurting a lot. Not being a toxic runner and running, taking few breaks to stretch it out.
But your company. Hi.
Now you will see a runners festival from Worli to NCPA. We can easily spot more than 1,000 runners running the same route. Now we are at the most dangerous part where a lot of accidents happen, which is Worli. So it's like, pay attention on the road. So I'm gonna shut the camera. I wanna poop so badly, but I'm telling myself I have no option. So my poop is going inside. I'm telling my poop, go inside. This always happens during long runs. Always. Washroom scenes is so bad in Mumbai, and it's like horror. Horror. Pooping, even going to pee is impossible. We got to witness the most insane sunrise today. I don't think the Insta 360 is capturing it right now, but you can just notice the colors. We are 12.6 kilometers down. We're taking it easy. Other runners are running fast. We were telling ourselves we have to do it easy. It was not even done with our half mark. Today is about the distance, not about the time and the speed. One step at a time. We are at Pedder Road.
Hi! It's like we have run Pedder Road so many times. It's like a piece of cake for us now. But everybody else from outside Bombay, they're scared as fuck. Which is fair.
But it's not that steep, guys. Just take it one step at a time. Trust me. दुख दर्द पीड़ा. So grateful for our in-house physio to join us for long runs.
The thumb is making magic.
Magic नहीं है hell. अरे वाह.
This point.
All point. अरे रे.
How many more kilometers to go?
15 done. Running is any day better than visiting a physio, guys. That's the worst thing.
He'll show you pain you have never endured.
Yes. Thumbs up.
There's the thumb.
आराम से हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
बॉडी ठंडा हुआ ना और पे.
फटाफट start करो. Guys, like, why do I have these monsters around me? All good?
No. Not good. Actually not good. Yeah, it's my foot is hurting today, so
I couldn't, like, I think I just follow you.
Yeah.
And I've seen your journey.
Yeah.
So you're doing amazing.
Thank you.
And, there are days when nothing works.
Yeah.
There can be phases nothing works, it doesn't matter. You're running out there. You're way better than so many people.
I know. Thank you.
I couldn't bear to see you try. Do
Thank
it.
you.
All
Thank
the
you.
best.
So sweet of you. Thank you.
Feel better? Come on.
Like, I really don't want to focus on the pain, but because it's hurting on my foot, I'm not able to ignore it. But just telling myself things happen, that doesn't mean I stop. Especially if the ultras can keep going. If Milkha Singh can keep going with a nail in his foot, this pain is nothing. I'm gonna finish 35 kilometers even if it takes fucking 5 hours to complete. 20 down, 15 more to go. So sweet of that lady to hug me and give those words.
Half day.
We are done 21 kilometers. We still have to run how much? We are doing 38?
35.
15, na? 35 minus 21, max नहीं हो रहा है. 14 kilometers more to go. But this is a training run. So we're going to first fuel. Mid-run. Legs are feeling much better now. Thanks to Jay that he helped me with a small massage near Chopati. Because of that I'm able to run right now. 24.2 kilometers done. 11 more to go. That's easy. We have done more than half. It's only about the last phase now, which will get done by the time we reach the other, I guess. Currently at Haji Ali. I have no clue how I have been running for the past 3 hours 16 minutes with an injured foot. It's all mental, guys. It's all mental. Telling you, even if it's hurting physically, my mind is like, you can push, you can push. Luckily the pain is not increasing. If it was increasing, I would have stopped. But it's the same. In the middle, it kind of stopped, but now it's back. So taking it easy. Woo. By going at a 6:50 pace. Got done with 35 kilometers. How do you feel?
Fucking amazing. Oh my god.
Out of 10, how difficult was it?
15.
Yeah? Very proud of you.
Same here.
Very proud of you. How do you feel, brother?
Good.
Dead?
I feel good, but there's something's wrong here.
Yeah?
How are you?
You tie your lace too, right?
Oh, let's go.
Wow.
Go to go check.
From racing 21 last month to now, training run, sir. Training run. Random got him the Super Blast 2 Paris edition because some guy brainwashed him to get it. Look at this. You pressing here and it's hurting. Oh my god.
Do one thing, go face down, lie down.
I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this.
Nothing. Not as bad as Brandon.
Yeah? अरे बाप रे.
क्या भाई?
Blister.
The famous elbow.
हो जाएगा. कोई नहीं.
सब तेरी गलती, तू रनिंग में लाया हम लोग को. कभी फिजियो से मिलना नहीं पड़ता था. अरे वो मूवी डालोगे ना, लॉयर से दूर रहो, लड़कियों से दूर रहो, डॉक्टर से दूर रहो. फिजियो अरे
Are you laughing or crying?
Yes, you can't do it.
बोस.
I've decided after my marathon I'm giving up on marathon training. I'm shifting to 5k. I can die in 5 kilometers, but
Huh?
not distance game.
Have you tried time trial 5k का?
I'll manage.
You say ना, people say that time के trial of 5k is more difficult than a marathon.
I'll manage. Did I say?
ये अपना तो बहुत कुछ हल्का है बनने का ना ये सब.
कौन?
50 तो करना है मुझे ब्रैंडन को.
तो तुम करो. You do 50, I'll do 5 decimal. 1 decimal down.
अरे सुपर प्लस लिया क्यों है तूने?
5k के लिए.
हाँ.
5k needs training.
तेरी मम्मी ब्लॉग देखती है ना, इसने नया जूता.
5